Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a wall sweep. Let's create a wall first, then go to 3D. Let's just do a model in place, generic model, name it whatever you want, and then sweep. Set the plane, pick a plane, and then select this one, this plane here, and then what we need to do is to create a path. So this is our path, and then so this is our path, and click OK. And let's just create a new profile. Oh, wrong one. I want to go to family and then select profile template. Okay, let's just do something like that. And load it into the project. So it should be somewhere, maybe it's this one. And then click OK. Finish model. Yeah, that's the one we just created. So that